Get ready for the ultimate summer refreshment. Witness the magic of my Citrus Melon Sparkle cocktail as vibrant orange meets juicy melon, all topped with a delightful fizz. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. It's time for a cocktail, and today we're going to make my Citrus Melon Sparkle cocktail. Now, what is it? It's summertime here, and I wanted a nice cocktail, but I wanted something refreshing and light and delicious. Now, all the farm stands here are loaded with melons and berries and fruits. So here we go. We're going to start with a nice glass here. I'm going to start with some vodka, orange vodka, and that's going to be some of the citrus. It's the kind I like. We just need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Right in. Next up, I want some melon flavor. We're going to get that with Midori. Now, I love Midori. It's made with Japanese melon, and it really is the best of all the melon liqueurs out there. But get what you can get. Get what you like, but I recommend Midori. We just need 1.5 ounces or 45 mils. Right in. I love that color already. I want to reinforce the orange and citrus flavor. We're going to get that with triple sec. Now, triple sec is also going to help bring this all together, and we only need 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Speaking of reinforcing, let's reinforce that melon flavor. I have here some beautiful cantaloupe and honeydew melon, and we're going to add this to our glass, about 3 or 4 pieces each. What is that going to do? It's going to really just give some freshness and nice melon flavor. It's going to really soak up some of this alcohol and give back flavor. This is all ready. I have here a shaker full of ice. You know what's coming up. It's the Shaky, but wait. I'm going to pour this in. I'm not going to use this glass to shake. Use another little tin because I really need to shake this hard, and that's going to help the melon break down a little bit and help it give its flavor and macerate with some of that alcohol that we have in there. So I'm going to shake it hard and a little longer than you might think. Here we go. All right, that should do it. I think that was my gem time for the day. Ooh. Now, you might think I'm going to be all refined and double strain into a nice chilled cocktail glass. No, not this time. I'm going to put it right back in this glass. I don't want to lose any of this flavor, so no fresh ice, no straining, no nothing. I'm just going to pour it back in. Now, this is delicious just as is, I can tell you, but we're not done yet. I'm going to add some club soda. Why? Why club soda? First, it's going to make it be nice and fizzy and light. Club soda, instead of seltzer, has some salt in it and minerals, and that salt is going to really intensify the flavor of the fruit. Just a splash. Just that much. We're going to give this a little stir, help it mix up a bit. And I have a nice little straw. Let's give it a taste. Wow. It's so refreshing. The bubbles from the club soda, first thing that hits you, wakes you up, says that this is light and wonderful. Then all those intense melon and citrus flavors all come in and hit, and you just get this wonderful combination in your mouth up into your sinuses, kind of like tasting a fine wine. This is really good. The perfect thing for a hot summer day. Let's have another taste. Oh, yes. Okay, if you like this episode, sign up for a newsletter and get the recipes in your inbox. Then help us grow the channel by hitting the subscribe button, smashing that like button, and hitting the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Now, I am going to go and relax and put my feet up and enjoy my cocktail. While I'm doing that, I want you to watch this episode over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.